Welcome to the channel, guys. So today is a pretty big project, but I'm going to be doing a pre-sale for an RV, and what is in that pre-sale service, kind of a few different things. So on the exterior, what we're going to do is a full wash and a little bit of a decon, and then we're going to apply a sealant. The sealant I'm going to be using in this video is from Chem-X and their snake oil. So I'll be using that on the exterior. We're going to do the wheels, we're going to do the trim, we're going to do everything, the windows. And then we're also going to do an engine bay cleaning as well. So that's going to be on the exterior. On the interior, we're doing a full clean on the interior, including the cockpit area. We're going to work on a little bit of some spot cleaning and addressing some stains on the seats and on the floor. There's like a little floor rug, so we'll be addressing that as well. We're gonna go into the bathroom. There's some residue on the tile that the customer had expressed some interest in trying to address that, so we're gonna see what we can do with that. My plan is probably to hit it with some steam and then some cleaners and see how that goes. But we've got a few tools we can use, so we'll be doing that as well. And then again, an overall clean, sweep, mop, wipe down counters, surfaces, all the glass will be cleaned from the inside. So I think that what I'm going to do is make this into a two-part series. So I'll show you what I'm doing on the exterior in one video and then show you the interior in another video. I'll also share with you the products, tools, and equipment that I use as always, and a little bit of my process, and then the results as always. So stay tuned for it. This will be part one. I'll work on the exterior and then I'll take you inside and I'll show you what I'm doing on the interior. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. Thanks, guys. Alright, what we're using on this project here, we have KRAKEN at 5:1 for all of the bugs, the engine bay cleaning, the tires, trim, anything that needs an extra kick is getting KRAKEN 5:1. We're using Apex soap as our foam wash and contact wash soap, then followed by snake oil as our sealant to seal up this RV. We're using Detail Co. Guardian for our dressing and trim. And then, of course, we're using Motorplast together with our screwball brush for the engine bay coating. So that's everything we're using on this project here.